Birthday.
Come on, happy birthday.
Are you going to open your present? Okay, go ahead. Do you need help?
Yes.
Maybe Danny will help you.
Okay. See? There you go. Come on, Charlie. Rip it.
Just rip it, yep.
Rip. Rip it, Charlie. Beat it up. I'm thinking, what is it? Charlie.
What is it?
Rip.
Dan, help him a little bit.
Needle!
What? Dan, help him.
It's a minion.
It's a minion.
Charlie, look. Needle. Do you like it, Charlie? Open it down. He wants to open it, Mom.
Okay.
Can I open it?
Yeah, we can open it.
Okay. With me, Mommy. And you also turn his head, too.
Charlie.
Cheese.
Say thanks, Grandma and Pop.
Thanks, Grandma.
All right, we're going to open it.
You better post it to them. They'll love